In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend a TurboTax tax return. If you need to make changes to a tax return you already filed, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the correct return, start the amendment process, and follow the guided prompts to create Form 1040X, which is the form used to officially correct a previously filed federal tax return. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign in to your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the same account where the original tax return was prepared and filed. Once you're signed in, you should arrive at the tax home screen. This is where TurboTax keeps your current filing information, along with access to past returns and tax documents. From the tax home screen, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This area contains the tax years available in your account. Take a moment here to choose carefully, especially if you have more than one return listed. You'll want to select the exact tax year that needs to be corrected since amendments apply to a specific return and year. After you select the correct tax year, look for the option that says Amend or Change Return and click it. This tells TurboTax that you're not filing a new return, but instead updating one that has already been submitted. If the option appears slightly differently depending on the version you're using, the key is to choose the amendment option connected to that return. Once the amendment process begins, TurboTax will guide you through the necessary steps. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and enter the changes you need to make. This could include correcting income, deductions, credits, filing status, or other information that was entered incorrectly on the original return. As you move through the prompts, TurboTax will update the return based on the revisions you provide. At the end of the guided process, TurboTax will generate Form 1040X for you. This is the amended tax return form that summarizes the changes between your original return and the corrected version. Before submitting anything, it's a good idea to review the updated details closely to make sure the corrections are accurate and complete. That's it. By signing in to TurboTax, locating your return under your